In this video, you will learn how you can get e-signatures on your documents like bills automatically. So guys, for this, we are going to integrate JotForm application with the help of which we are going to create a form from which we are going to get some details from the person who is going to sign our document. And as he is going to submit the form, we are going to create a dynamic document automatically with the help of esignature.io application, and that document will be delivered to the same person who have filled the form automatically to get it signed. And we are going to set up this automation without any coding very easily. So let's start. So we are setting up this automation using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool, and this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. And I have pasted the same link in the description as well. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automation. So you can just sign up right now from the given link, and then you have to sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And from here, you have to click on this create workflow button to set up the automation workflow. And here you can give a suitable name of the workflow. So I am giving the name here as get e-signatures. Automatically. Okay. After giving the name, just click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, you will find these two modules on which the automations are based. So our automations are based on these two things. So here is a logic that on which the workflow is going to run, that when this happens, do this. That means when anything happens in one application, something is going to happen in another application. Okay. So in our use case, in the trigger, we are going to connect the trigger application in which the trigger event is going to occur. So trigger is the event which is going to start this workflow, and the action would be the response or the consequence of the trigger, right? So here guys, filling of the form is going to act as a trigger. So we have created the form with the help of JotForm. So JotForm is our trigger application. So search for JotForm here, select it, and the trigger event would be new response. And it will give you this webhook URL. And with the help of this, we are going to make a connection with JotForm application. Then we are going to capture the response of that connection. So to make the connections, you need to follow these this help text written here. Let me show you how exactly you can do it. So this is my JotForm applications dashboard, and here I have created this form titled as buyer billing info. And these are the things I want to collect from a buyer. Okay. On for whom we want to create a bill, okay, and get it signed. So here guys, you have to click on the settings option, and under settings page of your form, you will find this integrations tab on the left hand side panel. Click on integrations, and here you have to search for webhooks. So you'll find the webhooks tab here. Click on it, and under this add webhook field, you have to paste the webhook URL that you got from your workflow. So go back to the workflow, click on copy, and copy the URL and paste it here in this field like this. Then click on complete integration, and you can see the integration is ready. Now you can click on finish. All right, and now you can publish the form and here is the link of the form, so you can open it in a new tab as well. Now guys, here you can see we have copied this URL, it started showing waiting for the webhook connections response. So this means now you have to perform a test submission. Test submission means you have to manually fill the form, and the details you are going to fill in the form will be captured here in this response section of the workflow. Okay, so let me fill in the form guys. So let any demo buyer is filling this form. Okay. So I have filled this form, you can see, and let me click on submit here, and you can see it is showing thank you, the submission has been received. Let's check in our workflow if we got the data of this form submission. And here you can see guys, in this response section, we got the data as this. Here it is showing the amount, the email address, the last name, the first name of the buyer, and all other things, the form's title as well. Right, so this is how you can capture the data from the form submission, and as we are going to receive the submission, we want to create a bill automatically and send it to the buyer, okay, or any person who have filled the form. For this, we are going to use this action step, and here we are going to connect this application which is called esignatures.io. Okay, so select esignatures.io. So this application is for collecting digital signatures. Okay, and the action event would be create a contract. Select this, then click on connect. From here, select add new connection, and here it is asking for the secret token of e-signature. So you'll find the token from the API settings of e-signature application. Let me show you that. First of all, you need to reach the dashboard of e-signature, and here you will find the API tab. You can see, click on it, and under the API section you will find this secret token. Just click on copy here and paste this token here, and then click on save, and you will be connected with esignatures.io. And here it is asking for the contract template. So I have created a template of bills here. Let me show you that. All right, this is a template I have created named as bill of sale, and this is a kind of template I have created. You can change this as you want according to your business needs. And here we are filling some details. For that, we have placed these placeholders, okay, right, so that we can change these things, the country name, the seller name, the buyer name, and all these things. We can to fill in these things automatically, dynamically. When you are going to generate a new bill from this template, you need to place these placeholders, okay, and for that you can use the template editor. Right, so first of all, I'm going to select the template's name here, okay, and now it is asking for the contract title. So here you can give the title as bill of sale for a person who have filled the form. So I'm going to use this data, guys, that I have received here from the JotForm submission, and I'm going to map this data here in this step as per the need, okay. And to map the data, you just have to click here like this, and the previous or the trigger step will appear here in the drop down like this, and when you click on it, it will show you all the data like this. So from here only you can map the things by clicking on the labels. So I'm clicking here on the first name of the person, and it is got mapped here. So the title of my contract will be bill of sale for this person, okay. So we are in the test mode, so I'm making it yes. If you're using live mode, you can make it no. Signer's name, who is going to sign this? The person who have filled the form. So I'm going to click here on the JotForm submission option, and I'm going to map the name again. And right now, let me map the full name. First name first, then last name, okay. Signer's email, you will find the signer's email as well. Signer's mobile number, if you have asked for it, you can map it here. Signer's company's name, redirect URL, we have many things here. You can fill in all the details, but these are not compulsory things, so I'm just leaving these things blank. You can fill in the details if you want. Country's name, let's say India. Some things you can fill manually as well, but the things you fill manually here are not going to change. They are going to remain the same. The only things that you are mapping from the trigger are going to change dynamically according to the form submission. That's why we map the data here. That's why it is necessary to map the things, okay. So here, let me map the seller's name. So seller's name is my name, let's say, okay. Buyer's name, you will get the buyer's name from the above step. Demo buyer is the buyer. Amount, you will get the amount. Custom fee, whatever you want, discount, whatever you want to give, you can provide here. Now when you click on save and send test request button, a new new bill is going to be created and will be delivered on the email address of this person on this email address automatically, okay. So right now this is not a original email address. I'm going to put my email address here just to show you the demo. Okay, then I'll click on save and send test request, and we'll see how the email is going to look like. So guys, I have opened the email inbox of the buyer who is going to sign this document. So I'm clicking on save and send test request button here. and this is the response we have received, and you can see the contact status as sent, and we have received a new email here just right now. You can see your company via this esignature.io, and here you can see the subject as your bill of sale for demo is ready to sign. Okay, and from here the person can view the document and sign the document. You can see the document, the bill got created here like this, okay, with the name and the things I have mapped, okay, amount, all the things are correctly mapped here, and from here person can click on sign and sign the document. Okay, so that's how you can create and set up this automation. So we are done setting up the automation here, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually in the workflow. After that, whenever you are going to receive the form submission, the bill of sale is going to be generated automatically and will be sent to the form submitter automatically, and the workflow is going to run in the background. All right, and if you want to use this workflow, you can use it, guys, because I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.